So we have that x minus 1 over x is equal to 2, and we want to show that this is equal to this. So we'll be starting with the known equation. We have that x minus 1 over x is equal to 2. So let's square both sides. From here, let's recall that when we have a minus b all squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Our left hand side becomes, we have x squared plus 1 over x to the power of 2 minus 2 times x times 1 over x, or equal to 2 to the power of 2. We have 4. So we have x squared plus 1 over x squared minus, we have 2x over x is equal to 4. So resolving this, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared. This cancel out this, we have minus 2 is equal to 4. So we have x squared plus 1 over x squared to be equal to 4. Our negative crossing over becomes plus 2. So our x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 6. So let's name this equation 1. So we've gotten the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared, and we want to find the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4. So from here, let's square both sides of the equation to have x squared plus 1 over x squared all to the power of 2 is equal to 6 to the power of 2. So when we apply when we have a plus b all squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So our left hand side becomes, we have x squared, further raised to the power of 2, plus we have 1 over x squared further raised to the power of 2, plus we have 2 times x squared times 1 over x squared, all equal to, our 6 to the power of 2 is 36. So here x to the power of 2, we have x, 2 times 2 is 4, plus we have 1 over x squared, which will give us 1 over x to the power of 4, plus multiplying this, we have 2x squared over x squared, and is equal to 36. We have that x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4, plus this cancel out this, we are left with 2, and is equal to 36. So our x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 is equal to 36. Our positive 2 crossing becomes minus 2. So we have that x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 is equal to 34. Now let's recall our equation 1. We had x to the power of 2 plus 1 over x to the power of 2 to be equal to 6. So we conclude that our x squared plus 1 over x squared is not equal to our x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.